What toy to play with? The cupcake? Ooh, something's making music. The kitty cat? Hey, Bree. What else are you going to get out of your Benno fun? That's it? Which one? Kitty or cupcake? Oh, which one are we going to play with? Kitty cat. No, cupcake. Cupcakes. Oh, there's more. Which one's it? Oh, ring. Green ring. Always a good choice. And cupcake's in the lead. Oh, cupcake's stuck to the... Oh, and let's just knock out all the toys. That's probably the best way to do it, don't you think? All right. Well, that's fun. Oh, should we push it back up? Oh, ring. Oh, no, we're back to the cupcake. I don't know why you like to eat that. All right, Bree, say bye. Say I'm too busy to look at you. Bree.